If you're also thinking of buying a Nokia smartphone, then get ready, Nokia is about to launch its most powerful smartphone yet. This beast of a phone comes with a 150 megapixel DSLR camera, and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Winner Max 5G. If you're excited to get your hands on this monster smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features: Nokia Winner Max 5G. Display. The Nokia Winner Max 5G flaunts a massive 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. To keep it safe from drops and scratches, it's armored with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Camera setup. This phone packs a quad camera setup, led by a jaw-dropping 150 megapixel primary sensor. And that's not all, you also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16 megapixel depth sensor, and a 12 megapixel macro shooter. For selfie lovers, there's a stunning 50 megapixel front camera ready to capture every detail. Processor. Under the hood, Nokia has loaded this beast with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring seamless gaming, multitasking, and ultra-fast performance. And guess what? It runs on Android 15 right out of the box. Battery backup. A powerful phone needs a massive battery, and Nokia delivers with a 7500 mAh power pack. Plus, with 90-watt fast charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. While the official price isn't confirmed yet, but leaks suggest it'll be around $550, an absolute steal for these specs. As for the launch date, expect this monster to hit the market next year.